She was granted a blessing during a denial. It was a denial, right? What was Jesus' response? He did it anyway, but what did he tell her basically? It's not your time. So if I need this particular thing today, God, I need this today. What did he say? No, not your time. More simply, no. He said no. Now, how many times do you think we would ask Christ for something? Just like, no, you can't have it. We might feel like it's needed. He said no. But you see, what happened was that she didn't accept that. She got in the house some kind of way. They wouldn't even answer her. She went out there, I know you're in there, Jesus. I know you're in there. I need you. Nobody said nothing. The disciples didn't say anything to her. They went to Christ like, look, do something for us. Send her away or something. She get in the house. Go before him. I'm not leaving until you bless me. You've heard that before somewhere else, right? I need it. I have a faith. I have faith in you, and I know it can happen. She changed the mind of God. Some of us sometimes have gotten no's in our life too. But if we really want those things and really desire those things, our faith can change the mind of God just like this.